move on to the next one. Now you should really, for the next meeting, everyone, you need to go over this handouts I'm giving you. So it's not like the first time you're watching, looking at these problems. Work it out yourself, and then when you come to these sessions, you'll be more prepared to ask questions rather than having no clue as what we're talking about for the first time. Does that make sense? Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the next one. To isolate x, we need to eliminate 1 here first. So we add 1 to each side of this inequality. So there we get negative 13 plus 12 would be negative 12. Less than or equal to would be 4/3 x. Less than or equal to then becomes 12. Now if I multiply each term by 3/4, notice I'm not multiplying by negative, so I don't have to change the direction of inequality here. Then I can isolate the x. So there we have it. So we have to reduce this. I can reduce 4 and negative 12, multiply by 3, give me minus 9. This would be x. And then here would be reduce 12 and 4. 3 times 3 would be 9. So what would be the right choice here? Anyone? A, B, C, or D? All the numbers between negative 9 and 9, and interval notation would be brackets negative 9 comma 9. So that would be B. Any question, anyone on that one? Okay, like I said, I'm recording this session. The copy of this would be available. I posted in class. You can review all these later. Those of you who didn't enter with your full name, you really need to log in and log out and enter as a full with your full name in order to receive credit, just to remind you. Before I move on to the next problem, I did open the session with general questions, and some of you asked some question. I answered it. I see some people logged in late. Are there any general questions about the class so far before I move to the next problem? Are we okay with everything? Everybody know what we're doing? No question? Okay, I see some students just logged in. If you're logging in with a nickname or a name I cannot recognize, you're not getting credit for these sessions, like I said. So just for example, I see Diamond 2 and Jerome 1. All these people are entering with like a name that I cannot recognize. You're not going to get credit. You have to log in with the full name. So please log out and log in and enter with your full name if you want to receive credit. So I'm assuming nobody have any questions here, and I'll move on.